talk a little bit about the Epson G6070. It's the newest technology in DTF printing. So Paul, can you tell us some high points on the G6070 36-inch printer?
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, Terry. So first off, as you guys notice, we have this printer right up against the wall because it's a front-loading machine. So there's absolutely no need to get back there, which makes it really convenient. We also have a 36-inch wide roll of film that we can load. So you get about 35.5 inch of printable area. And what that translates to is you can now do 3-up large and extra large adult sizes all in one row on the machine. Now, one of the tried and true things across any one of our printers that has white ink is our automated maintenance features, as well as our built-in white ink circulation. So we have white ink circulation that actually does not use any ink. So none of that ink is going to go into your waste bottle. The way it works is the white ink pack, before it gets to the print head, actually splits into 2 lines, and that is where the ink circulates within the machine before that gets over to the print head. The cool part about the ink too is it's sealed and degassed ink packs, and we'll take one out right here so that we can, we don't have enough space here. It's 1.6 liter sealed and degassed ink packs, and they have a 2-year shelf life, which is really cool.
That's awesome. And normally you would have room. We have the powder shaker out a little bit further.
That's okay.
But this is a workhorse machine. We're loving it. Our customers are loving it. Let me tell you a little bit about the EasyJet 36 powder shaker dryer, because you do have an option on what you buy here. This is Equipment Zone's product. A little bit of difference in this machine and other 36-inch powder shakers on the market. For one is the electrical. The printer and the dryer together are 110, but they're also under 20 amps, which means you can plug them into one circuit. We have a hopper where you pour your powder in, and it will distribute the powder throughout the day. You can load this up in the morning and probably won't put more powder in until the next day. Other machines on the market, you are putting powder down onto the film all day long, so you have to stand by and monitor this machine. If it does run low on powder, this red light's going to start to flash, and you're going to be able to know that you need to come over and put some more powder in the machine. Very compact because we heat top and bottom, which means these 2 units will fit through a 30-inch doorway, excuse me. If you have an even more narrow doorway, we can take off the casters and they'll fit through a 26-inch doorway. One last thing I want to tell you about, when you are using other powder shaker dryers, they are pulling about 8 feet of film through and putting it on the take-up reel, because the take-up reel is pulling the film through the machine. On this printer and this dryer combination, we use about 18 inches of film because we have rollers on front and back that are vacuum, and it holds on to the film and pulls it through. That means also, as you go, you can just be cutting off your film and you don't even have to use the take-up reel. So that is the G67 or G6070 and the EasyJet Pro 36. We're going to sign off from here in Phoenix. Hope everybody in New Jersey's had a great event today as well as we have. And if you have any questions, hang around, talk to our technicians on both coasts, and we are going to sign off from Phoenix right now. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, everyone.